These snacks are starting to get on my nerves. Okay. There. My latest invention is done. Now time to test it. Eureka!
Greetings and salutations, ants.
Ooh. Time to plan revenge on you, ants.
What the hell happened? Our home! What happened? Huh? What the hell was that?
Ow. Robot down.
What the hell is this doohickey? Okay, I'm just gonna reprogram this stupid robot.
What happened? Huh? What the? How'd you came here? Oh, what are you doing? No, stop mind controlling me. Hey, why are you? No, wait. Don't touch that. Stop it. Oh no, not me. I don't want to eat that. Ah. Oh no, my teeth. Oh no. Oh, what are you doing? No, not my tongue, no. My God. No, what are you doing now? Please, what are you doing to this genius? No. Oh, my leg! No, what are you doing to me? No. You stupid ant. Curse you. Ow, that hurts.
This is fun now that I got revenge on that stupid anteater. Yes, you did, sweetie. Yes, you did.
Glove on? Huh. Where did I put the other glove? Aha! A new glove. Okay. It's time to go golfing, Lumpy. Go!